Hi everyone, this is Jen, and I am here because I wanted to share this little mini album that I did. I'm starting on the Curiouser and Curiouser collection, but I had this guy started, so I just wanted to finish him. I still have some paper left. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Not my favorite, but it's, I don't know, a little too, I don't know. I just, it's not my favorite. But yeah, so I thought I'd make a mini album. This is a 4x8 with a 2-inch spine, and it's super simple. I just repeated pages so I could cut, you know, one right after another. Each of the pages with the belly band has this little booklet, and I used this cool sparkly paper. It has a sheen to it, and then I used the stickers and the card stock stickers and some of the frames and ephemera. So each page, not every page, but we have a belly band on one page and then a small pocket. This pocket just has a tag, same paper, plain on the back, and then the 3x4 cut apart. And then we have a plain page and then a smaller flap. This flap's like a 3x7. So each one of the pages is like that, and we won't pull out all the tags because I've already showed you, but there's the belly band page. I think I did mess up the order on one of these. I will pull out the little 3x4 card so you can see it on the back is that pattern. Big page, 3x7. There's the belly band. I think, is that where I messed up the pages? Yeah, I think this is supposed to have a pocket on it, and oh, it does have a pocket on it. I covered it up. How funny is that? It doesn't have a pocket on it anymore. Okay, well, we'll just deal with that. There's a pocket under there. Oh my. Okay, so yeah. Belly band. That's how I messed up. I didn't realize that. I had previously cut this big tag, and I just cut it down. I cut that on my Cricut and for a different project with the same paper. And yeah, so there we go. In the back, cute little quick project. It is a 4x8 by 2-inch spine. Quick project for most people. It took me several weeks to get through because I wasn't thrilled about the paper. And that tends to happen, which is why I always make sure that the paper I'm using is something that I'm excited about at the time of the project, or it just makes the project drag on forever. So anyways, thanks for looking at my 4x8 mini album. If you're interested in a tutorial on this one, it would be a super simple one to do. Let me know. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.